What if I told you that the S&P 500 could reach new heights, or even crash to unexpected lows in 2025? Buckle up, because in the next few minutes, we'll break down everything you need to know about the future of the stock market and how you can make sense of the predictions for the S&P 500 in 2025. Buckle up, because in the next few minutes, we'll break down everything you need to know about the future of the stock market and how you can make sense of the predictions for the S&P 500. Upbeat music with a fast-paced intro featuring a quick montage of stock charts, images of Wall Street, and headlines about economic trends. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're interested in the stock market, particularly the S&P 500, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into what the S&P 500 might look like in 2025. So, let's get started, because there are a lot of exciting and, honestly, unpredictable things to consider for the future of this index. First, let's take a quick look at the trends we're seeing right now. As we wrap up 2023, the S&P 500 has had some crazy ups and downs. We've seen the market react to inflation concerns, interest rate hikes by the Federal Reserve, and the ongoing effects of global events like the pandemic aftermath and geopolitical tensions. But here's the thing. Despite all this volatility, the S&P 500 has proven to be a resilient long-term investment. Over the years, this index, made up of 500 of the biggest and most influential U.S. companies, has historically grown. And the question now is, what's next? Let's break it down. Before we make any predictions, we need to understand the factors that could shape the S&P 500 by 2025. These include the economy, inflation, interest rates, corporate earnings, and the broader geopolitical landscape. Economic growth and recession. Fears. Some analysts are worried about a potential recession in the next few years. If the economy slows down, the S&P 500 could experience a dip.